Eighth lesson. Let's have lunch together.
Hey Mike, how are you?
Great, thanks. Nice to see you again, John.
Yes, it's been a while. How is the family?
The wife and kids are fine. My eldest is already 6 years old.
6 years old? How time flies!
Indeed. Hey, let's have lunch next week.
Great idea. Where should we go?
Let's go to that new cafe. It's great.
Amazing!
Ninth lesson. On time for the flight.
Dad, hurry up. We're late for the plane.
Don't worry, the plane leaves at 5 p.m. We have plenty of time.
But there is always traffic on our way to the airport.
Today there are no traffic problems. I checked already.
Are you sure? I don't want to miss our flight.
Yes, I'm sure. We have lots of time. Just relax.
Okay, Dad. I just get nervous about flying.
It's all right. We'll be there soon.
Tenth lesson. Gossiping about her new boyfriend.
Come on, tell me the latest gossip.
Of course not. I don't like gossiping.
Are you kidding? I'm dying to know.
Well, Lisa is going out with her new boyfriend.
Really? I don't know him. What's his age?
I'm not sure, but he must be around her age.
And his size? Is he tall?
I think so. They went out twice last week. Eleventh lesson. Still at work.
Hey, I just got here. Where are you?
I'm still at work. I got a lot to do today.
You're always working late.
I know, it's driving me crazy. I really need to stop doing this.
You gotta take a break sometimes.
Yeah, I know. Are you still waiting for me at the cafe?
Yes, and I already ordered some food and tea.
Great! I'll be there soon. I'm just leaving now.
Twelfth lesson. Still at work.
Hey Bob, can you repair my bike?
Yes, I can fix it. What's wrong?
The chain is broken, right?
I'll have a look. I told you I can fix anything.
Great. I drive to work at noon. Can I have it back by then?
I'll try. Can you pick it up around 10 a.m.?
Perfect. It's the only bike I have.
No problem. I'll get it done.
13th lesson. A sweet dilemma.
This dessert looks delicious.
Yeah. It's a brownie with a big scoop of ice cream. I really shouldn't, but what can I do?
That's great. This restaurant makes the best desserts. Do you want seconds?
No. I'm on a diet now.
Come on, just a little won't hurt. Please.
Okay, but a small one, please.
You can start your diet on Monday.
You're right. Let's enjoy now. Review. How are you? Formal. How do you do? How do you do? How have you been? How have you been? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you faring? How are you faring? Informal. What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? You all right? You all right? What's happening? What's happening? How's everything? How's everything? Howdy? Howdy? How you doing? How you doing? Days of the week. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. What time is it? 1. What time is it? What time is it? 2. Could you tell me the time, please? Could you tell me the time, please? 3. Do you have the time? Do you have the time? 4. What's the time now? What's the time now? 5. Excuse me, can you tell me what time it is? Excuse me, can you tell me what time it is? 1. Sure, it's 4 o'clock. Sure, it's 4 o'clock. 2. Sorry, I don't have a watch. Sorry, I don't have a watch. 3. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. 4. It's 9:30, 9:30. It's 9:30, 9:30. 5. It's 9:15, 9:15. It's 9:15, 9:15. 6. It's 9:45, 9:45. Quarter to 10. It's 9:45, 9:45. Quarter to 10. 7. It's 9:10, 10 after. Past 9. It's 9:10, 10 after. Past 9. 8. It's 9:40, 9:40. It's 9:40, 9:40. 9. It's 12 o'clock, noon. It's 12 o'clock, noon. 10. It's midnight, midnight. It's midnight, midnight. Must. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike. I must finish this report by tomorrow. I must finish this report by tomorrow. We must follow the rules. We must follow the rules. Have to. I have to go to the doctor's office at 4 p.m. I have to go to the doctor's office at 4 p.m. She has to study for her exams. She has to study for her exams. They have to get up early for work. They have to get up early for work. Compound words. Living room. Living room. Coffee table. Coffee table. High school. High school. Hyphenated compound words. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Well-being. Well-being. Check-in. Check-in. Compound words together. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Sunflower. Sunflower. Notebook. Notebook.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.